Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis feed, the S&P 500 for Monday, March the 21st, 2011. Well, a continuation of the bullishness in this market at the moment, and we can see previously that we had the market trading within the cloud, traded down to the bottom of the cloud and found support down there. The next day's trading set the market for a potential reversal to the upside. We hadn't had a reversal then, we had an inside bar in bar chart terms, which is a sign of indecision in the market, and it certainly showed us that all of the bearishness in the market previously had dried up. And it was also a Japanese candlestick harami bullish reversal pattern, and we were watching the high of that candle for a potential higher high and higher low. The next day's trading, that's exactly what we got. Not a terribly bullish candle, but we did have the change of trend to the upside. Today's trading, we've actually seen the market go on with it with quite a bullish candle and a very large green body candle. And the green body tells us that the buyers have made significant net bullish progress. And by opening at the low and closing up towards the high, it tells us that the buyers have been in control for almost the whole day, and they've shown very strong commitment to taking this market higher. Now, even though we are in an uptrend and we do expect the uptrend to continue, some worrying factors here for this market. One is the overhead resistance that the market is interacting with at the moment. And the first area is the top of the cloud. And we can see as the market tested outside of the cloud that we had downside price rejection. The market actually tested just up above the cloud, and the sellers came in a minor way and sold the market off. So that is a slight worry, although it really, in the big picture terms of this bullishness in this market, it's not terribly significant. However, the more significant thing was that the market is potentially finding resistance at the top of the cloud, and that could be important. Also the other major factor here is the resistance around the whole number 1300. And we've seen previously that 1300 was an area of previous resistance and support for this market. And here, again, for tomorrow's trading, it's a very important level. If the market takes at that level with a very bullish close, and we have a breakout up above the 1300 and a bullish breakout up above the cloud again, then we may see the market substantially appreciate and test 1313 and above. Now, 1313 is an area of resistance for this market, and certainly trading up to around 1332 is important resistance for the market. We then have resistance from the swing high up around 1345, and not a lot of resistance until the market trades to around 1363. So 1300 is very, very important for this market. To the downside, if we do have a reversal, and there's not necessarily a chance of that happening because there's so much bullishness in the market, but we do need to watch the low of the current candle for any potential lower high and lower low. But we do have potential support all the way down through to the bottom of the cloud, which extends roughly down to around 1250. We should be watching this area around 1265, which was a previous important area, and then certainly down to the 1250 area. But the market may not trade down there in one day if we do sell off. If we do have the bearish sentiment come back into the market, then over a few days we could test down there and below. But we do need to watch the low of the current candle for any test down below there on the next day's trading. Now, in Ichimoku charts terms, we are still just trading within the cloud, so the market has an overall neutral bias at the moment in big picture terms. So that's what's happening when we're trading within the cloud. But the market has turned bullish in the fast term time frame because we are trading up above the Tenkan-sen, which is the green line, and only slightly bullish in the medium term time frame by trading up above the Kijun-sen. Pretty much neutral in medium term time frames because we're so close to the Kijun-sen. So what we'd like to see in bullish terms is the market trade up in a bullish way up above that region and above the cloud. That will give the bulls a lot more confidence, or those that want to go long. Now, as we can see here, the Kijun-sen had turned flat a few days ago, and that's really quite a good indicator for a likely retracement back towards that area, and that's what happened over the previous 3 trading days. The market was attracted back towards that region, and the Kijun-sen is exerting its influence as an area of resistance as well, where the market has only just closed up above that region. So we've got a confluence of these three factors that are holding as resistance for this market around this 1300 level. So for the next day's trading, a test above there and a bullish close up above there would be important for the bulls. But do watch below the current candle around 1280 or so for a potential lower high and lower low, but more likely to test to the upside.